Yeah, sit it straight up. Yeah, like that. Might have to come out the vest. All right, what's up, Big Nation? Me and the boys about to head to lunch. Ride to, not too far. Go uptown a little bit, and it was on our way out. My man ran out of gas. Ride with them Harley boys. So what happened? We ran out of gas. Good thing we were still inside though. We was just about to hit the streets, the hardcore streets of Smithfield, and ran out of gas. We got a couple bikes up in here today.
This ain't electric.
Bert's on the scene. Bertha Rosso. Yeah, sit it straight up. Yeah, like that. Might have to come out the vest.
Hey, you hear your fuel pump come on? You hear the fuel pump running?
Big Nation, we out. AC say what's up to Big Nation.
What up, what up, what up?
Yeah, he got a lady out here. Y'all know lady. Oh, this is live. What's up, man? About to go to lunch. Ready? Subway. Started out 1, 2, 3. Now it's 4 of us. All right, what's up, Big Nation? We out here. Headed back to the joint. Slide back down. Yeah, straight down to the left. Subway, a town over, so we can get a little ride going. Well, it started out with 4 of us. We had to go back to work. It's the fun part with riding to work. Is get to ride to lunch, man. And then we get to go home. We all go home at different times, so we don't ride home all the time together. But sure it's fun, man, to get out and ride for lunch, especially a beautiful day like today. My bike says it's 90 degrees out here, which is crazy, because it was 50 when I left home. But we'll talk when we get back to the job. Just want to check in with you, Big Nation. Want to know if you're riding to work, riding to lunch, if you're having fun with your boys at work. It's not always about the weekend. We're good to go, baby. See you in a few. Big Nation, stand up. Peace. So what's up, Big Nation? Next day. Never got back to you yesterday, but today's the next day. And I got Maggie out here today. And rode to work today, man. Y'all gotta get your ride in, brother. I know a lot of y'all ain't trying to ride, but a lot of us out here today, man. In North Carolina today, it is 81 degrees. Left this morning, it was 50. That's a pretty good number. So came over here to this spot, Sammy's. Got a couple specials for you. Good to G. Say hello. Say hey, Vic Nation. This is by my YouTube page, Vic Nation. Say hello, Vic Nation.
Fancy.
No, I told them we're going to Sammy's. They said they're ordering pizza. I'm gonna try to get them to call you in a few. All right. So that was Sammy's. This is my girl. I got the eggplant parm with the chips. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna head back to the job. It's nice enough to eat right here. Should have bought a drink. I actually sit right here and just do my do. It's that nice out here. We're gonna flip. And I'll see you when we hit the road. So I do have questions for everybody. Put it in comments. I want to know, do you ride all year round? Do you have your gear? Are you ready? Do you have a full face helmet? Are you ready for the rain? What's up, Vic Nation? You already see me. I'm ready. Got my half helmet on. I'm ready for any element, anything you can bring, anything you can throw at me, I'm ready. I think my number is 40. 40 degrees or above, I'm riding. Anything under 40, I'm not gonna ride for the day. I got enough clothes to stay stacked up and stay packed up. And a lot of people pack their bikes up for the winter. They winterize them, they put them on the trickle charger and what have you. So that's the question, man. Put in comments what you actually do so we can get some ideas of how we can get the best out of our bikes. I really need to fix this kickstand for a tall person. It's ridiculous. Just a procrastinator at times. What's up, Big Nation? It's your boy. My sister went to Sammy's. A little extra marinara. You know what I mean? And I really don't eat too much cheese. But I already ate half of that joint already. Believe it. It's 2 of them. That's what's up. So, I'm not gonna hold you. I gotta ride to work tomorrow. Gonna be in the 80s again. It is what it is, brother. You know, I feel sorry for everybody that has to put their bike up. You know, that's what we was discussing. You know, what do you actually do? You know, but there's a lot of places in the United States and outside the United States where it gets really cold and it really snows, and hopefully it doesn't snow this year in North Carolina. I don't want to see it. I'm from New Jersey. I had enough snow to last me a lifetime. I don't want to see a bit of snow. I don't want to see no flurries. No snow. Doesn't make me happy. It reminds me of standing and waiting for the bus with my feet free. But y'all go hold your Big Nation and get to this grub so I can get back to work. And once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.